To enter a trade on Tradingview Mobile, you will need to have the Tradingview app installed on your device and an account set up with a brokerage firm that is connected to Tradingview. Start by opening the Tradingview app and logging into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the chart of the financial instrument you want to trade. You can do this by tapping on the search bar at the top of the screen and typing in the name of the instrument. After selecting the instrument, tap on the chart to open it in full screen mode. From here, you can analyze the chart using various technical indicators and tools to determine if you want to buy or sell the instrument. If you decide to enter a trade, tap on the paper airplane icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the order panel where you can set up your trade. In the order panel, select the type of order you want to place, such as a market order or a limit order. A market order will execute the trade at the current market price, while a limit order will execute the trade at a specific price that you set. Next, enter the number of shares or contracts you want to buy or sell. You can also set a stop loss and take profit level to limit your potential losses and lock in profits. After setting up your order, tap on the buy or sell button to execute the trade. Your trade will be sent to your connected brokerage firm for execution. It is essential to have a solid understanding of trading concepts and risk management strategies. Before entering a trade, trading carries significant risks, and it is crucial to only trade with money that you can afford to lose. By following these steps and using the Tradingview mobile app, you can enter trades on the go and stay connected to the markets.